if you're experiencing crashes while playing Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Step 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher Steam or GOG and navigate to the game library. Right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, select Properties, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files to check for any corrupted files. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings. Go to the Game Settings menu, reduce the resolution and graphics quality, and disable any demanding features like VSync or ray tracing. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Use Task Manager to end tasks for programs that are not needed while gaming. Step 5. Check for Windows updates. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Go to Settings, select Update and Security, and check for any available updates to install. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate the crashing issues in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.